माँ आज तो खाना बहुत स्पेशल है। क्यों नहीं, खाना आज तो बहू ने बनाया है।
हाँ हाँ होगा क्यों नहीं, बहू ने जो खाना बनाया है।
If a preparation is really nice, we may praise it by saying the grains or the vegetables or the spices are really nice. But has anybody ever heard somebody say to a cook, the salt in this preparation is fabulous? Salt is giving so much flavor, but it remains behind the scenes.
Two kinds of great people that exist in this world. The first type are those who do great things, and there's another type of greatness, and they who do even the smallest things of everyday life in a great way. They do it with all sincerity. They do it with great love and devotion and integrity. Generally in the outside world, the first type of greatness is glorified, but rarely the latter ones are ever noticed.
Like if you see, Radha Gopinath Mandir community is built by devotees who have been performing small but consistent actions, steadily doing services day in, day out. Like, we have devotees making wicks every day, whether it is raining, whether it is hot, cold, service is going on. Devotees getting pan for Krishna, Radha Gopinath every day. We have Manohar Prabhu, one of our brahmachari friends. He's available for any kind of service. And these devotees, by their amazing services, being ready and available for all kinds of services day in, day out for decades, shows the metal they are made of. That's how the community is getting strength, getting nourishment. So we have these devotees who are proving by their consistent actions that small actions are much, much, much better than grand dreams. So we have these devotees who have been exemplary, and like we have Param Purush Prabhu, for example. He's wobbling in the morning every day coming for Mangalarati, and he's blissful. He's in his mid-80s, and you see him smiling. When you see that, okay, spiritual world is a reality. It's not simply, it's not utopia. There is a spiritual world. There is Golok Vrindavan, because with this material body which is giving us pain and, they're struggling, and still devotees are blissful, chanting and dancing. So how it would be when we have transcended this material existence? Like I remember Yugavtar Prabhu. I get the seva of dressing deities. And Yugavtar Prabhu, even when it is raining heavily, he will be there with these beautiful small flowers for decorating the deities. And I'm amazed how he gets them.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
सॉरी सॉरी।
चोरी नहीं, चोरी कर रहे हैं।
अरे चोरी क्या बोलते भाई साहब, इधर करोड़ों रुपए का चोरी करते लोग, खाली फूल तोड़ रहा हूँ मैं।
तुम्हारा प्रॉपर्टी है क्या?
अरे मेरा नहीं, लेकिन भगवान का प्रॉपर्टी है ना भाई साहब। हाँ, ये भगवान के लिए तोड़ रहा हूँ मैं, इधर गोपीनाथ मंदिर है ना, उधर देने के लिए।
भगवान के लिए तोड़ रहे हैं?
हाँ
ठीक है, तोड़ो।
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
जब मैं मंदिर आने का चालू किया दर्शन करने को मंगल आरती, तो युगावतार प्रभु भगवान के श्रृंगार के लिए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फूल लेके आते थे, राधा रानी को सजाते थे और भगवान को भी सजा देते। तो मेरे मन में भी हुआ कि कुछ सेवा अपने से भी हो जाए।
Run.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
There is another very important quality in a devotee's life, and that is consistency and perseverance. So there are some devotees whom I have seen in the course of my regularly attending the temple over the so many number of years. If it is Thursday, it must be Ramanand Pran Prabhu. You will see him in the morning hours before the Bhagavatam. You will see him at the shoe stall, very humbly accepting the footwear of the devotees and handing over tokens to them. If you see him there, you can set your calendar that today is Thursday. Another one devotee's experience I will share. A very humble and simple devotee who has been coming to our temple for so many years. He says, my problem is I am not able to attend on all the other days. There's only one day I have a holiday, and that is Friday. But then this is the test of one's sincerity. If it is Friday, you will see him here early in the morning for Mangalarti. Then you will see him serving, during Guru Puja, you will see him placing the shatari on the devotees' heads, and you can also see him, offering Charanamrit or any other such services that is there.
In a community, we have devotees who are blissful, engaging in all kinds of services. Like our Keshav Chandra Prabhu is so blissful, plucking flowers in the morning with that long stick he has from the Vrindavan forest, the Kadamba flowers for Radha Gopinath.
हरे कृष्णा। मेरा नाम दावजनन दास और मेरा भाई सुबल सखा दास। हम दोनों ज्वाइन किए इस्कॉन वे बैक इन 1990s। तो हम लोग मम्मी के साथ आए थे। नॉर्मली संडे हमारा फिक्स रहता था और हम लोग आते थे स्पेशली खेलने के लिए। संडे मतलब जाना है, मतलब खेलना है। पीछे हम लोग खेलने के लिए हम लोग खेलते थे और बाद में हम लोग प्रसाद लेते थे और चले जाते थे। लेकिन जब हम लोग आए थे, जब टेम्पल में आए थे, तो गोपीनाथ जी एक अलग ही इनका एक दर्शन हम लोग को होते थे। अभी जब जैसे कि अलग एक मुकुट था, एक मोर पंख थे, मतलब उनका जो अभी जो है वो उस टाइम पूरा टोटली डिफरेंट था।
after the bhogas are offered and when the prasadam plates come out, the prasadam will get transferred in different containers, and the plates, bowls and spoons are washed in the backup section of the deity room. Keeping them meticulously clean is called as the backup seva. There are 60 to 70 Matajis who are involved in this devotional service, and there are some Matajis who come from faraway places like Badlapur, Nallasapara, Kanjurmarg, Mulund, Ghatkopar, etc.
मैं जब टेंपल ज्वाइन किया 2007 में, तो पहला सेवा मिला था बैकअप करने का, तो वो भी मॉर्निंग बैकअप 7 o'clock 7:30 को जो चालू होते, सबसे हैवी बैकअप है। मुझे तो 2 घंटे लगते ही लगते थे। कोई कोई लोग फास्ट थे, उनका जल्दी हो जाता था, और उसमें सारे जो बर्तन हैं सारे निकलते थे भगवान के, जो कॉपर के वेसल्स हैं, और सबको पूरा घिस घिस के, इमली के पानी के बाद पूरा घिस घिस कर उसे चमका कर रखना पड़ता था। बस चमकता था तो लगता वाह क्या सफाई हुआ है, और अपने को घिसने में मज़ा आता था। पर इतना लंबा सेवा था, कुछ रस ज़्यादा नहीं था। बस 2-3 दिन के बाद VTA का डिवोटी था, उसने मुझे बताया, पता है ये क्या है सेवा प्रभु जी? क्या है? ये जो आप अभी बर्तन घिस रहे हैं ना, ये जो कलश है ना, इसी से गोपीनाथ को स्नान करवाया गया। मैं सोचने लगा, मैं तो अभी तक इसको एक लोटा समझ कर ऐसे उसको घिस रहा था। तो ये, और ये जो टॉवल आप सभी धो रहे हैं ना प्रभु जी, हाँ, तो अरे इसी से स्नान कराने के बाद गोपीनाथ के शरीर को पोछा गया है। मैंने तो कभी रियलाइज ही नहीं किया था कि ऐसा इसके पीछे एक वो भगवान का ये वस्त्र है। प्रश्न में तो हाँ, भगवान का पूरा ऑल और पूरा मंदिर ही भगवान का है, वो ब्राह्मण रियलाइजेशन जैसा था। मगर उसमें ये पता इंडिविजुअली क्या ये भगवान का, ये गोपीनाथ का, ये सखीज का, ये गौर निताई का, अरे मैं उनके कपड़े धो रहा हूँ, कितना फॉर्चुनेट हो। उस दिन उस VTA डिवोटी ने मुझे रियलाइज कराया कि ये कोई साधारण सेवा नहीं है, वेरी स्पेशल, वेरी स्पेशल। तो वो समझकर मुझे भी लगा, अरे हाँ, ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। ऐसा ही हो गया जैसे कि पारस मणि मिल गई, मगर पत्थर समझकर मैं उसे ढो रहा था। पर आज पता चला ये पत्थर नहीं भाई, ये पारस मणि है। जो सेवा मिली है वो कोई साधारण चीज़ नहीं है।
Incident I remember when I was actually doing the flower seva between 2009 and 2014, actively involved. Somehow it became like a deep meditation, and I would look forward to the day when I would go to the market to buy flowers, just coordinating. It was like kind of ecstasy. And there were too many things happened during that time. I'm just mentioning one incident which I clearly remember. It was the day of Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur's, I think, appearance or disappearance day, and his deity was kept inside the temple hall right next to Srila Prabhupada. And I had personally gone to the market that day and specifically chose few roses, and you don't find those shades of pink rose too often in the other market, so there were very few. So we decided to make 6 garlands for Bhaktisiddhanta ji, and so I requested the Mataji in charge, and I was sitting and chanting in the temple hall after 10 o'clock, and suddenly she comes up to me that, Prabhuji, we are falling short by 3 bundles of those roses. And then I became very anxious. I was thinking as I was chanting, I was ready to go to Dadar, but then I was thinking, where will I get those same rose bundles now? It was very rare to get those pink shades. And then after maybe 1 hour, the garlands have been made. I said, how? And she says, no, one old lady came and she got 3 bundles of roses. I said, similar ones? She said, yes, the similar shade jo tha, and we have made the garlands, so everything is complete. I said, who is that old lady? She just came, gave 3 bundles of roses, and then she left. We have never seen her, we don't know who she is, and we don't know where she has gone. So like that, there are things when we just make an effort, and the Lord is in charge of every seva, so it's up to them, they complete.
माता जी हमारे साथ तुलसी गार्लेंड बनाते थे। हम सब गर्ल्स उनके साथ बैठते थे तो हम लोग उनको ऐसा बंच बना के देते थे। तो बंच में हम लोग ऐसा तुलसी डालते समय ऐसा रियलाइज़ नहीं करते थे ये बंच के अंदर ऐसा टूटा पत्ता है या इसमें दाग है, तो हम ऐसा डायरेक्ट माता जी को देते थे। तो माता जी तुलसी ऐसा डालने से पहले है ना चेक नहीं करते थे, बट पता नहीं कैसे उनको मालूम पड़ता था इसमें दाग है, तो ना पूरे बंच में से उनको दिखता था तो वो पत्ता निकाल देते थे और फिर गार्लैंड में डालते थे। तो माता जी को ऐसा बोलते थे, माता जी ठीक है ना, मतलब कभी कभी तो थोड़ा चलेगा। तो माता जी बोलती थी नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, भगवान ना राजा हैं और राजा को ऐसा दे नहीं सकते हम लोग। तो माता जी अपनी सेवा को लेके छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स को लेके बहुत ध्यान रख के सेवा करते थे भगवान का।
एक दिन गौर पूर्णिमा था तो महाराज जी टेरेस पर गए चंद्रमा का दर्शन करने के लिए। उसके बाद मंगल आरती आए। मंगल आरती में मंदिर में तुलसी आरती चल रहा था, तो तुलसी आरती को देखा तो तुलसी सूखी हुई थी, पूरी सूखी हुई थी। तो महाराज ने बाद में मॉर्निंग प्रोग्राम होने के बाद सब प्रेसिडेंट लोगों को बुलाया, बोलता है तुलसी सेवा कौन करता है। तो महाराज ने पूछा तो किसी के पास उत्तर ही नहीं था, कोई नहीं करता था। तो महाराज बोला मेरे को जब तक तुलसी हरा भरा नहीं दिखेगा तभी तक ना पानी पीऊँगा ना मैं अन्न ग्रहण करूँगा। सब प्रेसिडेंट ने मेरे को बुलाया, तुम कर लो सेवा। ठीक मैं तो कुछ मेरा मुँह से कभी ना नहीं आता था। तुरंत मैं मार्केट गया, तुलसी लेके आया, दोपहर 2-3 बजे तक पूरा तुलसी लगाया। उसके बाद महाराज ने आके देखा, बोला इसके बाद जो भी होएगा तुलसी की सेवा आपके बिना कोई नहीं करेगा। उसके बाद अभी तक तुलसी सेवा मैं ही कर रहा हूँ और मैं इतना साल से सेवा कर रहा हूँ तो तुलसी महारानी से मेरा बहुत कनेक्शन हो गया है। मैं किधर भी बाहर जाता हूँ तो तुलसी महारानी ऐसे नाराज़ में रहती कि सूखी रहती है एकदम। ऐसा मैं जाता हूँ तो वो एकदम खुल जाती है, खड़ी हो जाती है। ऐसा मेरे को तो फुल एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि मैं जाके उधर चला जाता हूँ तो तुलसी महारानी खुश हो जाती है, लगता है कि सब पत्ते नीचे हुए तो खड़े हो जाते हैं एकदम।
One of our very, very old devotees who is consistently there throughout in our temple, Sunandan Prabhu. Most of us, all of us will be knowing him. He is there at the gate regulating entry of people walking in for prasadam. And this service he would do year after year, month after month, day after day, without any remuneration for that service. It is something he is doing out of love for the Supreme Lord, out of his commitment to Sri Sri Radha Gopinath. This particular devotee, though he is there at the gate to welcome people for having their prasadam, but there's one thing, he does not have prasadam in the temple. Probably, I think so, it could be that he is atoning for the offense he is committing by not letting in certain people to walk in, and so he may be that way compensating for it by himself not taking prasadam from the temple, but just welcoming others and doing this thankless job.
The way it is said in the scriptures that, deities are not different than the Lord. And the way Radhanath Maharaj has also instilled in our hearts that deities are not different than Lord. I think there was a Janmashtami festival one time and we were dressing and we planned that this jewelry will easily fit and darshan will open on time. But, probably Hanumanji had different plans. We tried to put that jewelry again and again, but it would fall. And then finally, when darshan was just about to open, we prayed, Hanumanji, please, Lord is ready to give the darshan, so please get ready. And then finally the jewelry would fit.
Vaishnava Seva Prabhu is another amazing example of somebody who is just like salt. Nobody knows, without him, so many things wouldn't have happened. Like the whole relaying of Radha Gopinath's darshan. I was last 2 years when I'm traveling, sometimes for 1.5 months, I am going to so many places and then I'm missing the temple. And for me, when I come online and take darshan, that's such a big relief, it's like, And then who's doing all of this? Who's responsible for all of this? Vaishnava Seva Prabhu, and now assisted by Guru Gaurang Prabhu. And when I tell him, Prabhu, what you are doing, you have given everything. In fact, he's given everything. His house is not his house. Everybody stays there except him. He has one small space where he sleeps. That's it. And rest of the whole house is ISKCON Desire Tree office. And such sacrifice is unbelievable.
The journey of our temple life started way back in 2002 when we first started our audio website, where we used to upload the daily lectures from Chowpatty temple. In 2008, Guru Gaurang Prabhu Brahmachari, he joined, and he gave an excellent support to this whole thing. Till date, he has been serving selflessly behind the scene.
हमने देखा इस डिश वॉशिंग सेवा के लिए 40-45 भक्तों की आवश्यकता है। हम देखते हैं इस प्लेट वॉशिंग सेवा में बाहर जब उनका हम देखेंगे, सोशल स्टेटस देखेंगे, बड़े बड़े कारपोरेट लोग, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं वो सब कुछ छोड़ देते हैं, सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं और यहाँ पे सबसे न्यूनतम सेवा, प्लेट वॉशिंग सेवा, उसमें वो सम्मिलित हो जाते हैं।
जैसे मैं सेवा के लिए आई थी आज ही संडे को प्लेट कलेक्शन का, तो उसमें मैंने देखा था कि सेवा करना है पर ऑलरेडी सेवा के लिए इतने सारे माता जी अवेलेबल हैं, तो वेट करना पड़ रहा था। फिर अभी ऐसा हो गया है कि सेवा का इतना डिमांड हो गया है, हमें अभी ये सेवा के लिए आज बोल रहे हो तो नेक्स्ट संडे हमें जाकर ये सेवा मिलेगी।
One very senior devotee came to inspect our DT room. He opened all the drawers, one after another, and he was so super amazed. He said, can I take pictures? I said, yeah, of course, why not? And he started taking pictures of every drawer, one after another. All the chokers, all the necklaces, neatly arranged according to their sizes, according to their colors, according to their types. And he said, why not? Why not? I was like, what? He said, definitely there is ISO in ISKCON. When there is so much detailed arrangement, this is ISKCON. And I was like, wow. So all credit goes to all the Matajis who work so hard, who come from very, very far distant places.
कभी हम बीमार हो गए, 4 दिन नहीं आए, तो ऐसा लगता है कुछ तो खाली लग रहा है, कुछ तो ऐसा आनंद नहीं आ रहा है। और फिर यहाँ आते कितने भी बीमार होते हैं, बैकअप रूम में जाते हैं, हमारा सेवा करते हैं, तो हम लोग में एनर्जी आ जाती है। भगवान की चीज़ जो है, जो भगवान पहनते हैं, उसको छूने से एक बहुत शक्ति का संचार होता है अपने आप में। हमें ऐसा बहुत बार ऐसा महसूस हुआ है।
Gopinath put us in lots of anxieties, and he also take lots of tests. And around 10 to 15 years back, this idea just come up, let's have a holy dress for Gopinath.
And you were like, कैसे होगा माता जी? एक दिन है, हो जाएगा प्रभु जी। With a smile, she replies, प्रभु जी एक दिन और एक रात है। And you were like amazed. I said, माता जी सच में है? And next day, lo and behold, the dress comes right on time.
Whole team was together. They just called me up. I was hearing Maharaj was giving the class in the temple, so they just called me, come up, we have to make a dress. The whole day, the whole night, till morning 5 o'clock, because after 5 Mangal Aarti, they dress the Gopinath. So till that time, we all were making the dress, which includes again all the deities dress like Gopinath dress, Radha Gopinath, Gaur Nitai, Gopalji, Garurji, Hanumanji, Garurji, Lakshmi Narayan, Gopijan Vallabh, 2 cows, 2 Tulsi Maharani, plus Ashtasakhis. That was the more anxiety for us. They also want the Ashtasakhis dress. And we have a very limited time, but by the mercy of devotees and Gopinath, some others, we finished the dress. And the best part was when we see the dress on the deities, when the altar opens for the first time, only 2 things comes out from me, like the tears from my eyes and thank you Gopinath for allowing us to do this seva. And by your mercy, we'll be able to make this dress.
these everyday greatness in the simplest of people who are like salt-like devotees, who are like the salt, who are so unassuming in their services. But then Krishna sees them all.
A quality to truly make spiritual progress is we serve with determination, with enthusiasm for the well-being of others, but we are not seeking credit for what we do. We're happy to give credit to others.
Take a note and see what this temple is made of. We all owe it to our Guru Maharaj, who has built up this temple brick by brick. How? These are the bricks. Each brick is an individual devotee, and he has inspired them with such Vaishnava qualities that these devotees, they form the foundation of the structure which is called as Sri Sri Radha Gopinath Mandir. This structure I am referring to is the congregation of Sri Sri Radha Gopinath Mandir.
थोड़ा इधर बैलेंस करो, थोड़ा इधर से गिर रहा है उधर से गिर रहा है, थोड़ा ऐसा। अरे वाह।
एक बार मैं ना परेशान थी और ना वृंदावन चली गई जन्माष्टमी के दिन। कि नहीं यार, मतलब वृंदावन जाके रोई और पद्मिनी माता जी बोली जाएगी दोबारा? कभी नहीं जाऊंगी, गोपीनाथ में ही रहूंगी।